If you guys want to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 22 days like I did, watch my channel. I think it'll help you get there. What's up guys, Nick the Tutor here, and I'm back again with another video. Today, I wanted to talk about how I went from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel in 22 days. Now, there's a lot of videos out there about this topic, and I want to do this more as an appreciation video to thank all of you, obviously, for subscribing to my channel and checking out my videos. I truly appreciate it. I didn't think that things would move this quickly, but since they did, I wanted to share with all of you how I did it and what my methodology was, because I think I did things a little bit differently than the traditional YouTuber, and for that reason, let's get into it. All right, so first off, I wanted to thank all of my subscribers and obviously all of my followers on TikTok, especially, who have been rocking with me for the past few months. I've really only been at the social media thing for about a month and a half, so I'm humbled by the experience. I have tons of web visitors, tons of subscribers, tons of followers, and I wanted to thank all of you for joining up with me and listening to what I have to say, because it's incredibly humbling and it's incredibly exciting to be able to provide information for all of you. Now, that said, I wanted to discuss the things that I did in particular that brought me from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. Now, the first thing I did that I want to talk about is planning. So I didn't just go into YouTube and TikTok with no plan. I just launch into it and just start posting anything. I had a very clear plan from day one for at least the first month of what I was going to post. Now, obviously, that might be a little bit difficult for some people to produce. If you don't know, I'm the owner of Curvebreakers Test Prep, an awesome test prep company in New York, and I've been doing public speaking for a number of years. So I have a lot of experience, obviously, speaking in front of people, speaking in front of a camera, and speaking with students and parents all day. So this is literally what I do. I'm just taking the format from in person to in front of a camera. So number one is you want to plan out what you're going to say. Now, obviously, like I said, for me, that was pretty easy, but for you want to think about it. Number two, I actually planned out different trending topics for the first few videos that I was producing. So I didn't just produce any video, even if it was about my topic or, with my plan. I tried to produce trending videos, and when new trending stuff came up, I shot new videos. So I actually had a plan, but my plan was adaptable. I was able to change my plan to the trends of what people want to hear. And not just what people want to hear, but what's important to society, what's going on right now. So I think that was the second thing I did, was I was adaptable to change my approach as necessary. Number three, and the big differentiator that I went through, was cross promotion. So I cross promoted my YouTube channel with TikTok, on Quora, on Reddit, on Facebook, and on every other platform. I have 2,000 followers on Facebook. I have 1,300 followers on Instagram for my company page. I have a company website, a company email list. So utilizing all these different pieces, I was able to cross promote my YouTube channel and really get it going. One of the things I've noticed since I've hit 1,000 subscribers is that YouTube is definitely pushing my content out much more strongly, and now about half of my views come from YouTube suggestions rather than from my own customers and own subscribers. So I guess that's awesome. Obviously, I'm new to this as well, but I think cross promotion is an awesome way that anyone can get more followers, get more subscribers. Now, that said, what did I do for cross promotion? I mentioned Reddit, I mentioned Quora. I just had myself and my staff answer people's questions about the topics that I'm talking about, and use the videos as a resource for many people. People like it. Now, you can't just shamelessly plug yourself on Quora and Reddit, but what you can do is provide value to people, and then they're going to sub to you. So whatever your subject matter is, once you shoot a few videos, you can actually help boost your channel by cross-promoting that on different platforms. So that's awesome. The big one, obviously, is TikTok. I have over 65,000 followers on TikTok. I'm just doing the same thing I'm doing here, just in a shorter format. I don't know if I'm terribly entertaining. I guess I'm pretty entertaining, but I think more so I'm just really trying hard to provide value and good content to people. And I'm just posting a lot, so definitely check me out on there. But that was one of the main ways I was able to cross promote. I think the fourth thing I did was, before I even filmed my first video, I hired someone to help me with YouTube. Now, obviously that's a financial investment, and I'm a business person, so I have, business finances to spend on this kind of stuff. I bought a good camera, I bought a mic, I basically bought the YouTuber setup, the beginning YouTuber setup, not, the phone setup, which obviously you can be successful with, don't get me wrong, but, I bought a tripod, I bought lights, I invested maybe $1,000 in the process. That said, like I also said before, I also hired someone to help me, and the person that I decided to hire was an editor, and his name is John. He's awesome. He's gonna edit this video, and that has really helped me because, one, I have someone who knows a lot about YouTube to bounce ideas off of, but also I have someone who I can gel my style with rather than just kind of winging it. I can get suggestions, I can get criticism, but I could also let him know what I'm thinking, and we can come together on an agreement as to what's going to be best for my channel. So I'm taking this very seriously, and I think obviously hiring someone to help is extremely useful. The fifth thing that I did that's really important is that I fully committed to the process. So I didn't go into this thinking, okay, I'm going to post a few videos and that's it, or whatever. I think the important thing that I did was I committed to making 5, 6, 7 videos off the bat that I was going to have a schedule for, and I was going to post and pay to have them edited and all that good stuff. So I think commitment to YouTube is really important. I think inconsistency will make your channel fail. I think that if people see you posting every week and every day on TikTok or Instagram or whatever it may be, then they're going to see you as a source. Like you're really trying hard, and your effort is going to be rewarded. And I thank all of you for rewarding my effort. I do put a lot of time into this now, and it is part of my daily activities and job, I guess you could call it. So I greatly appreciate you supporting that, and that's, I think, what a lot of YouTubers are missing. The next thing I did, and this was also part of the beginning of the process, was I joined the small YouTubers channel on Reddit. It's called NickTheTutor, and I basically read about people's experiences. I just read up on, what's making people successful, what's making people fail, what's making people frustrated. And I saw some very frank posts on there about, how to be successful on YouTube and what it takes. And I thought that was really helpful in me, figuring out my approach, investing my time, investing my money. I thought that was awesome. So I would definitely check that out if you're new to YouTube and you want to go from 0 to 1,000 subs in less than a month. That's a great place to start getting your information. My last point is that you can't just post anything on YouTube and blow up. It's kind of disappointing, but you have to have some kind of niche, some unique content, or something that's going to be of interest to people. That's, I think, what a lot of people are missing. Like, if you're posting gaming content and you just keep posting like the same kind of gaming content as everyone else, you could blow up if you're like really interesting, and that's obviously possible. Or you could not. It's kind of like rolling the dice. If you want to be, I think, more sure about your success on YouTube, you have to find an interesting angle, whatever that angle may be, that someone else isn't doing, or that you can do better than the people that are already doing it. And I think that's a huge point about YouTube that a lot of people miss, that if you pick up quickly, you'll be able to succeed on. I think my thing is that, obviously I'm doing SAT, ACT, college prep education channel. You have to find your content lane. Most new YouTubers kind of just start posting whatever, or they don't really have a lane. They're kind of copying someone else. They're doing the same thing as someone else. I found my lane. I'm very frank. I'm very real. I've gone through this process myself. I'm not giving you a sugar-coated version of whatever I'm talking about. I'm giving you real facts. And I think that's my lane on YouTube. So I implore you to try to find your lane, and then find your niche, or niche, whatever you want to call it. And that's the main reason that people become successful on YouTube, is that they're doing something entertaining, they're doing something different, they find a pocket, and they get a great fan base. So if you guys want to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 22 days like I did, I can definitely help you. Watch my channel, check out some of the things that I'm doing. I think it'll help you get there. Subscribe now. Obviously, if you're also interested in any SAT, ACT, or college related content, subscribe to my channel as well. I'm obviously gonna be dropping those videos on a weekly basis. I just wanted to do this extra video to tell everyone how I did it, and also to thank all of my subscribers and all of my followers on TikTok and other social media platforms for helping me get there. Thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate it. Couldn't have done it without you. All right, guys. Hopefully you can go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers like I did in 22 days. People told me it was going to take a few years. I figured it out in less than a month. Hopefully you can too, and hopefully this video was helpful in you figuring that out. That said, I'm Nick the Tutor. Thanks for watching this video. I'll check you guys soon.